Airbnb is becoming a worldwide Olympic partner just in time for the 2020 Tokyo Olympics. Financial details of the partnership were not disclosed, but it will cover 5 Olympics and Paralympics over the next 9 years. The company will offer accommodation for visitors and athletes' families without replacing the Olympic Village. So that means host cities don't have to invest in new hotels, making the games more sustainable.
British life and general insurer Aviva said today it will keep its operations in Singapore and China. This follows reports that Canada's Manulife and Japan's MS and AD insurance were eyeing Aviva's assets in Singapore and Vietnam. But Aviva is looking at strategic options for its operations in Vietnam, Indonesia and Hong Kong. Its structure is considered clunky by analysts and investors who expect the company to unveil a streamlining of operations this week.
Australian payment services provider Tyro has filed a prospectus for a public listing seeking to raise as much as $173 million. This comes even as 6 listings were aborted in October alone, reflecting the tough IPO market down under. Tyro has set an indicative price range of between $2.50 Aussie and $2.75 per share. That would give it a market capitalization of up to $930 million.
Ethiopian Airlines has yet to decide if it will take more deliveries of Boeing 737 MAX jets. The units remain grounded worldwide after 2 fatal crashes in Ethiopia and Indonesia. Ethiopian Airlines has 20 units of the 737 MAX on order. It says it's waiting to see the software and training changes from Boeing, as well as results of further tests. The airline company is also considering putting in more orders of the Airbus A350, which is a rival to the 737 MAX.
Bangladesh is urgently flying in onions as the price of the essential ingredient soars to record highs. The price of onions has climbed to eye-watering levels since India banned exports in September when heavy monsoon rains reduced the crop. A kilo of onions usually costs about 36 US cents in Bangladesh, but consumers now have to fork out more than $3 US. Onion prices are a sensitive issue in South Asia, with shortages triggering protests before.